is a standard camera. Use it to cover a 360-degree field of view. You need them. This is a fisheye camera. For full coverage, one is enough. Hi, I'm Polly from Hikvision. Today, I'm so excited to share with you Hikvision's newly released 6 Series fisheye camera. Here it is. Firstly, let's see what's in the package. The new generation of fisheye cameras adopt brand new designs to bring us new features. What I've got on my hand is the 12-megapixel module. It uses the immersive lens, with less distortion and better image. It has 4 microphones, and this design can improve the audio performance. Besides, it has 3 supplemental lights, and the brightness of each one can be controlled independently. This delicate design can effectively solve the issue of light reflection on walls. Compared to the older generation, the new 6 Series fisheye camera with a new integrated appearance does not need to open the cover, just need one step to quick install. Besides, it supports cutting line angle adjustment. No need for installation alignment anymore. Just need one click to easily cover the key area. No worries about key areas being cut. In addition to its Ultra HD lens, the new fisheye camera is equipped with a powerful decoding processor. In this way, it achieves a pioneer 1:1 ratio, and effective pixels are increased by 36%. We can see the image on the right side with much sharper details. This core feature makes it highly competitive while compared to other similar products. With multiple decoding methods and powerful performance, the new fisheye camera adopts a new self-developed EPTZ unwrapping algorithm, achieving full coverage of the field of view. In terms of product usability, with a new web-based local plugin, it's compatible with common browsers and provides excellent software decoding, complete parameter configuration, and intelligent data display. The interface has been upgraded to Web 5.0 and is much easier to use. In comparison with standard cameras, fisheye cameras has a wider coverage and are widely used in retail scenarios. Therefore, we've made big upgrades to intelligence functions. Except for the existing heat map and intersection analysis, we've added people counting and queue management. In total, there are 4 intelligent functions. Let's draw a conclusion. Hikvision's new fisheye cameras has big upgrades in terms of design, image quality, usability, and intelligence functions. We hope you will like it. To use one camera for full coverage. Thanks for watching.